Good afternoon to everyone. There are people who are grateful for coming in my life. First is God, for He guided me in the right path, preventing me falling into the dark, giving me strength to go on each day, and providing me with opportunities to grow. Second is the school, for it is my second home. There, I will find staff and friends as my family, filled with love and joy, and help me to discover and develop my talents and skills that I will need to reach my goals. Third is my teachers. I will find them as my second parents. I appreciate their efforts in teaching me of what is right and what is wrong. Their patience guiding me through challenges, their encouragement has built up my confidence, and their support and beliefs in my abilities even when doubting myself. Next is my friends, for they help me with my studies and reaching our goals together. They never fail to bring laughter and joy, and always by my side as my brothers and sisters. And lastly, to my beloved parents, I'm grateful for having them, as they supported me throughout my studies and encouraged me to do the things that I'm afraid, making sacrifice for my education. They may not be the perfect parents, but they are surely the best parents. Daddy, Mommy, I love you. Thank you.